Right now, she's finding out her credit card information has been stolen.
$12,000. But I didn't buy any of this.
Right now, he's finding out his credit has been destroyed.
What do you mean my credit's not approved? That's impossible.
Right now, everything this family has worked for is in ruins.
How did this happen to us?
Here's how. An electronic pickpocket with a simple RFID scanner can easily steal your banking and credit card information, and you won't know it until it's too late. So protect your identity and your family right now with the revolutionary new Scanner Guard card, guaranteed to prevent RFID scanners from stealing your personal information. Without Scanner Guard card, these RFID-enabled cards can easily be hacked. Names, account numbers, expiration dates, all of it stolen in an instant. But each Scanner Guard card contains a special built-in layer that makes the same credit cards virtually invisible to scanners. Plus, Scanner Guard card allows you to maintain your personal style. No need for an ugly aluminum wallet. Just place 2 Scanner Guard cards into any wallet or card holder you already own to activate a virtual security system that protects your identity against electronic theft, guaranteed. Don't let a financial disaster happen to you.